Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the UNZA graduate teacher. In today's lesson, guys, we are looking at the question which came in Science Paper 1, 2025 G12 exam, the paper which they wrote last year. The question that we are looking at, it was on section B, question 2. The question was as follows. The question was saying, figure B 2.1 shows a pulley system used to raise a load of 70 Newton when an effort of 35 Newton is applied. So what this was the pulley system they are talking about. So what you understand is that a pulley system is used to lift heavy load using less effort. So now, the first question was saying, what is the mechanical advantage of the block and tackle pulley system, MA, 2 marks? So what you need to understand is that the formula of mechanical advantage is equals to, you say, MA is equals to, you say, load over effort. That's a formula. So in the question they said the load was 70 Newton and the effort was 35 Newton. So you're going to say 70 Newton over 35 Newton. When you divide, you're going to find the 2. So the mechanical advantage was equals to 2, which was 2 marks. So now the big question was saying, what is the velocity ratio of the pulley system? So for you to find the velocity ratio, it is a simple thing. No wonder I see 1 mark here. You need just to count the number of loops. You say 1, 2, and there is this last loop, which is 3. Or you can just count the number of wheels. You say 1 wheel, 2 wheel, 3 wheel, which is 3 wheels. That means it has got 3 velocity ratio. So you are going to say 3. You write 3. And C will say, calculate the efficiency of the pulley system, which was 2 marks. So for you to solve this question, you must understand the formula of efficiency. So you're going to say efficiency, the formula is equals to mechanical advantage, MA over velocity ratio, multiplied by 100. So the answer has to be found in percentage. So now, mechanical advantage was 2. It was 2 over 3 multiplied by 100. So the answer that you are supposed to find, you are going to find it will give you 66.7%. That's efficiency. The number it will be 66.666 going. But when you round off one, you have to just round it off to 1 decimal place, which is 6.7%, or you can just say 67%. That's the efficiency. Why should you continue to struggle with physics like this, or science, other sciences subjects, when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just follow my channel. If you're watching me on TikTok, if you are watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel for more physics lessons.